Get the idea. Isolated rain is in the forecast for us this morning. The vast majority of us will be dry, but you can't rule out, one of those isolated showers coming in off the coastline all the way through 10 o'clock this morning. Temperatures, they'll be in the 80s before too long, and we'll be topping out in the low 90s later on this afternoon. Now, if you guess that if you're wondering if we have afternoon thunderstorms, the answer is yes, we do. We're going to see more thunderstorms this afternoon, so I'm going to stop Vipercast here at 2:30. We have thunderstorms moving from east to west, so away from the coastline towards Lake Okeechobee. Most of the activity this afternoon, because of the southeast wind we're dealing with, will be inland. Way inland too. And what thunderstorms we do see this afternoon, because some drier air could possibly get strong. We're talking about some really gusty wind, excessive lightning, and torrential downpours. And notice by midnight tonight, Vipercast is really backing off on those isolated showers during the overnight hours. So we're looking pretty good this afternoon, much better than 24 hours ago. Today's highs in the low 90s. 89 degrees for you in Fort Pierce and Jupiter. You'll be the cool spot. And then once you get towards West Palm, Boynton, even Vero Beach, you'll be topping at 90 degrees today. And then right around Lake Okeechobee, you'll be the hot spot, ranging from 92 degrees in Belle Glade, Indiantown, to 93 degrees in Okeechobee. So the beach forecast today is much better than yesterday, but remember, lightning can travel 15, 20 miles away from a storm. So make sure that you hightail it inside if you hear some thunder while you're at the beach. Seas are right at 2 feet this morning, and they'll range from 1 to 3 feet this afternoon. Storms will be in the vicinity, boaters, so make sure you take a look at that radar as you're outside this afternoon. High tide is expected to occur at 9:54 this morning. Here's Vipercast for tomorrow. An isolated shower is possible during the morning hours, then all of that pushes inland once again during the afternoon, just like today. So tomorrow's forecast is basically a carbon copy of today's. Next week, from there, we see high pressure build in, and then it's just your typical South Florida week. In August, we'll see hot, humid conditions, highs in the low 90s, afternoon thunderstorms each and every day. The wettest day out of the next 7 will be Wednesday.